If you're struggling with a stubborn or broken zipper, you're not alone. Zippers are essential parts of many items, clothes, bags, or jackets, but they can cause frustration when they stop working properly. Luckily, I'm here to walk you through how to fix a zipper, so you can get things back in working order, quickly and easily. First, let's address the most common problem: a stuck zipper. If the zipper won't budge, check for fabric or threads caught in the teeth. Carefully remove any obstruction using tweezers, being gentle to avoid damaging the zipper. Once the path is clear, lubricate the zipper teeth using household items like a bar of soap, a graphite pencil, or even lip balm. Apply the lubricant sparingly and try moving the zipper back and forth. This usually resolves most cases of a stuck zipper. Another frequent issue is when the zipper slider doesn't close the teeth properly, leaving the zipper open or misaligned. This often happens because the slider has loosened over time. To fix this, take a pair of pliers and gently squeeze the slider's sides together. Be cautious not to apply too much force. You want the slider to grip the teeth firmly without breaking. After adjusting, run the slider along the length of the zipper to ensure it closes properly. If it still doesn't work, you might need to replace the slider entirely. Learning how to fix a zipper in these situations can save your favorite items from being thrown away. If you're dealing with missing or damaged teeth at the top or bottom of the zipper, don't worry. For teeth at the top, simply move the slider down and sew a new fabric stopper above the damaged area. This prevents the slider from coming off. If teeth are missing near the bottom, the zipper will need to be replaced. Replacing a zipper can be challenging, so if you're not confident in your sewing skills, consider taking the item to a tailor. Sometimes the zipper pull itself can break off, making it impossible to grip and operate. This is one of the easiest problems to solve when figuring out how to fix a zipper. Use a paper clip, a key ring, or even a small piece of wire as a makeshift pull. Attach it to the slider, and you're good to go. It might not look perfect, but it's a functional solution until you can replace the pull with a permanent one. To prevent future zipper problems, always handle them gently and keep the teeth clean. Regularly inspect zippers for wear and tear, especially on items you use frequently. Now that you've learned how to fix a zipper, you're prepared to handle these common issues and keep your favorite items in use for years to come.